You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, originally from the Bible. It's of course the name of a prophet. It's a Hebrew name. This is the Spanish spelling of the name that in English is usually pronounced as Ezequiel. Ezequiel. Now, the QU here replaces a K, essentially. Ezequiel is the Spanish pronunciation. Spanish from Spain would have a Z sound like TH, Ezequiel. Now, in Argentina or South America, it's usually pronounced Ezequiel, with the C pronounced like an S, Ezequiel or Ezequiel. Now, in English, Ezekiel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.